So comparison is one of the worst memories. Program, same thing. I'm talking about us as organic, biological creation from divine intelligence. And so, pretty much like a computer, we have bugs, and these bugs are called memories. And comparison is one of the worst we can get. And it was put into us probably by our parents and by their parents, etc. Go back a long way in the lineage. And comparison is the surest way of failing at everything. So you bear that in mind first before you even clean it. It's like attaching to a memory that's gonna make you fail for sure, right? So we don't want that. So since it's a bug or a memory replaying, because you're unique, you were created to the likeness of the creator, but with your special talents and things that you came here to do. And what the comparison does is disable you from accessing what it is you have that is just unique and special, just about you, because you compare yourself to somebody else, which is, it's not only useless, it's damaging, etc. So first of all, we realize that, okay, it's only a memory replaying. It's been put into me. It's okay. I see it. I feel it when it's in me. So I can get about to cleaning with it, And what that allows us to do is that it allows us to hear the inspiration of, even if you're doing the same thing everybody else is doing, because by now, thousands of people are doing the same kind of business, etc. But your unique way of doing it is going to come from allowing divine intelligence to inspire you with how you bake the bread, or how to be mother at home or father at home in your own family, how to be with your spouse, how to love even your friends and family, etc. So you have to know that everything is illusory. Once you have a program or a memory replaying, if this is a memory replaying that I have, it's pretty much like my glasses. Through these glasses of comparison, everything that I look at then looks like I'm the only one who's not enjoying myself, or not doing well, or not able to do anything that's any good to anyone, because I'm weighing myself against that program. So first of all, number one, just to go over it quickly again, is that we know it's only a memory replaying, or a bug in the biological computer, which would be the subconscious, which means it needs clearing, right? And anytime it comes up, it's the opportunity, because anytime there's a memory to clean, as we do the cleaning, the result of that is, number one, to get back to zero, number two, inspiration. And so from there, I can have the information flowing in from divine intelligence, so I can make the best bread. I can have a better relationship. I can have better work. I can be more inspired to do maybe the same thing everybody else is doing, but in my own way. And this is what people will gravitate towards when you're just being yourself. That's, being yourself is apparently very hard, because we're fully programmed with lots and lots of memories replaying. But that's really the aim, is to get back to the integrity, the purity of who you are. Thank you.